What's going on, fellow fixers? Today's going to be a pretty easy fix. Shouldn't take too long. Just replacing this little Ford logo on the front that's just discolored. Blue's gone. As always, I'll put a link in the description. You can go find this part on Amazon. It should be really easy to do. Hey everyone, my name is Jeremy, and if you like learning how to fix things, then subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. So this is a pretty simple process. Logo just comes. It's got a couple studs here that we'll go through, and it looks like a little sticky. This part is sticky. You can just poke it on and put on some nuts. Let me pop the hood and we'll look underneath. It's actually a pretty straightforward process. So there's just two little nuts that go on here. I think they're 10 millimeter. Oh, either have to be a deep socket 10 millimeter or use a wrench. All right, well, I'm sure you can't see this, but I was able to just use a regular socket. I didn't need a deep one. You can see what they look like. They're not a regular nut. They're sort of like a, I don't know even what you would describe it. There's like a little slit in the middle. That's it, take that off. Of course, I got somebody mowing now. Should pop right off. Okay, so there's two pieces. This is the part that glued on. So I need to take the black part off. There you go. I'm gonna get some alcohol and clean this up because the new one has glue that it'll glue on. So let's just make sure it's gonna fit first. Okay, it is gonna fit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off this glue. This sticker, I guess. Make sure I got it right side up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and attach the nuts on the back. All right, again, I'm sure you can't probably see this. Screw on here, and they're not threaded. These studs are not threaded. But whenever you put these nuts on, it's going to thread. All right, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and peel off the cover. So there you have it. It was like an $8, $9 fix, something like that, but looks so much better. I guess the next project I'm gonna have to do is replacing these lights that are so fogged over. If you haven't seen this video, go check that one out. I'll see you over there.